YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Josh, and I'm here back with another haircut tutorial. And as you guys can see, my guy, he hasn't had a haircut in a while, but we about to fix that problem right here. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to see more transformations like this. But to start off this haircut, we're gonna start by picking his hair out, loosening up the hair so it won't be as tightly curled when I go through and cut it, so it won't get stuck. So in this haircut, we're gonna be giving my guy a drop fade. So I'm gonna go in with my number 2 guard, and I'm just gonna go around and create a shape while taking out bulk that I don't need to start this haircut off. So after we get all the bulk out the way that we don't need, we're gonna go in and we're gonna start on our guidelines, starting with the bald line using my Babyliss Gold effects trimmers. And as you guys can see, I dropped it down lower in the back. So when you're giving somebody a drop fade, make sure you guys make your guideline drop lower in the back and then bring it back up as you come around on the side of the head. So right after setting in the bald line, we're gonna go in with my cordless Wahl seniors and start my next guideline, which would be with my no guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about a ½ inch, keeping the width the same all the way around the head, following the same shape as the guideline that we made with the bald trimmers. You guys, this haircut right here was truly a transformation. I mean, my guy had a fro on the side, so I couldn't wait to share this transformation with y'all. But right here, we're gonna go in with the lever halfway closed and just start up under the line and flick up to the line, blending out this guideline. So right here, I picked up my number 2 guard, and we're gonna start our down fading process, starting with the number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed. We're just gonna start by taking this haircut piece by piece, fading down. So right after I go in with my number 2 guard, I come back with my 1½ guard with the lever all the way open, just fading right up under that number 2 guard area. So next, I simply just drop down to the number 1½ guard with the lever all the way closed, which is the same guard that we just used, but we're just hitting the same guideline, but we're not going up as high. So every time we drop down in size, we want to make sure that we don't go up as high, but we still hit the same target area. So right after I finish with the 1½, I come in with my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, doing the same exact process. So we've reached our last step in the fading down process, which is the ½ guard. It connects the no guard open guideline with the rest of the fade. This is like a really crucial part, because right here we're going to begin doing a lot of detail work, and a lot of things are going to start showing that's out of place that needs to be fixed. So we're going to start by coming in with my comb, doing clipper over comb, just connecting the side, the lower hair of the fade into the afro to make it a smoother blend. So right here, we're gonna start by doing some detailing, starting with the number 2 guard. You guys are gonna see me pick up a lot of different guards for different areas that need to be blended out better. This is a very crucial part of your haircut, because I know a lot of guys probably would have went through their guard system one time and left the haircut at that. You know what I'm saying? They felt like it has a nice blend, but it's not perfect. You can see the transition, but that's not how you want it to be. You want to make sure you go in and do that extra work, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of stuff that's messed up in your haircut is not because of you, it's because maybe the hair is like growing in an awkward direction, and it's all up to you to go and do that detail work, you know what I'm saying, to finesse all those bad areas. So right here we're gonna start and prep the lineup. I'm going in with my 1.5 guard, just knocking down some of this bulk off the front of the hairline. And then I'm gonna go in with my holding spray and just blow dry it and lock it in to make sure that we got this hair laid down how we need it to be to start this crispy lineup. So for this lineup, I'm going to be using my Babyliss Gold Effects trimmers to do this crispy lineup, because you guys know these are my favorite trimmers. So yeah, sit back and watch this lineup bring this haircut to life. But for me, this lineup really brought out a lot of imperfections in this haircut. As you guys can see, the fade does need to be worked on a little bit more, and that's what we about to do. Guys can see why it's so important that we do the detail work. It just takes your haircut to a whole nother level. So right here I'm going to be applying some hair fibers per client request to take this haircut to a whole nother level. And I'm going to go in with my holding spray and just lock it in. And then after we do that, we want to shape it up and make sure you get it crispy and just blow dry it down. You guys, I appreciate it if you watched it up until this point. We almost done with this haircut. We got my guy looking spiffy. Right here I'm just applying the nappy brush, getting those coils in there, taking this haircut to another level, man. You guys know what's going on. Drop something in the comments. You guys, I can't leave nothing behind. I gotta make sure I got it all the way right. So right here I'm just doing a little bit more detail work, getting it all the way blended. YouTube, this is the before. My guy, you know, he was looking rough, but you know, he was in the hands of Josh, and we got him looking back right. YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think about this haircut in the comments. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date for when I drop new haircut tutorials. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Joshxbarber, like you guys see on the top of this video. It's your boy Josh.